Hey, this is Ben from Easededge with a quick video on how to do a layout in the drawing software, how to lay out a piece on a slab. So for this example, I have an L-shaped countertop here with a cutout and some Easededge type. So to start, click Layout, click the Layout tab, and click Add Slab up here in the top right corner. So label your slab, we'll call this Antarctica, and we'll create a slab of 120 by, say, 96, and we'll select our image. Adding an image is optional if you want to just see how many slabs a piece is going to take, or a countertop configuration is going to take. But if you want to get a better idea of how it's going to look, you can add a image. So just select the usable area of the image here. I obviously didn't enter the right dimensions, so it's not quite centered on, or it's not quite the right size. But you can move this around and select the usable piece and click Save. And now you just can position this piece on the slab, and you can see the preview over here on the right. To fine-tune the position of the piece in the slab, you can drag within the preview piece over here on the right. Just drag around, and it'll move the piece correspondingly on the left. To rotate this piece on the slab, simply select it by clicking on it and click Rotate up here at the top, and you can rotate this piece however you'd like. If you need to add a seam, simply select the piece and click Define Seam. So once you've clicked Define Seam, click once to start the seam area, and then drag down, or just move the mouse down until you have the seam in the correct position. The thing you have to remember when creating a seam is that the entire piece has to be contained within the shaded area here to the left. So it wouldn't be right to put this seam right here. You have to extend it down so that this whole area is containing the part of the countertop that is within the seam. So simply click again to place the seam and go up to the top and click Done, and that will slice that piece right there. So now you can drag this piece independently of the other, and if you want to rotate this as well, you can click Rotate and rotate that piece, and then again drag this around till you have a nice pattern. Anything that's extending past the end of the slab is going to be shown in red to alert you that it's not positioned correctly, or anything that is extending over another piece will be shaded. So say for example I have this piece over, you'll see this shaded, or this piece extending into the area. So let's just rotate this until we have something that looks decent. Let's say maybe that. And that's it. We've got our countertop laid out on our slab. Probably want to use closer to the edge. And again, to fine tune, you can go over here and drag around the texture or the position on the slab to get a better idea of, or a better position for your seams.